AutoCAD allows you to customize your workspace in a lot of ways. To change the background color of the model space, right-click while your cursor is in the model space, then go to Options. In the Drafting tab, click Colors. With 3D parallel projection option selected, click Uniform Background. Go to Color here and choose the color you want to use. Then click Apply and Close. Then OK. You will notice that nothing happened. Here's why. The model space has several visual styles. These styles determine how objects appear in the model space. In this case, the conceptual visual style is selected. To fix the background color problem, we need to check the visual style settings. So in the Visual Styles panel, select Conceptual. Then scroll down the settings pane to the Environment Settings option. Click here and turn off the background.